Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 160. Let's see what the question states. The difference between amylose and amylopectin is, and the options are: first one, amylose is made up of glucose and galactose. Second one, amylopectin has 1 to 4 alpha linkage and 1 to 6 beta linkage. The third option is amylose have 1 to 4 alpha linkage and 1 to 6 beta linkage. The fourth option, amylopectin have 1 to 4 alpha linkage and 1 to 6 alpha linkage. Now let's see what is the answer. So amylose and amylopectin are polymers of alpha D glucose, so beta link is not possible. Amylose is a linear with 1 to 4 alpha linkage, whereas amylopectin is branched and has both 1 to 4 and 1 to 6 alpha linkages. So the fourth option is the correct one, and that's our answer.